Hey everyone, and welcome to Vlogtober day 7. Today's video is a fall what I eat in a day. So this morning it is 6:36 and I don't have to be at work until 7:30. But if I'm gonna do what I want to get ready to do, which is to go to Starbucks and grab me a pumpkin spice latte, I need to get ready to go at least by 6:45. That way I'm not late for work in case there is a long line. Anyways, if you're new here, welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. So yesterday for Vlogtober day 6, I ended up making some vegan chili, and let me just say it was a whole hit in the house. And so I'm gonna get ready to take that with me to work today. So that is my lunch for today. And then of course I'm gonna, like I said, run up to Starbucks and get me a drink and something for breakfast. And I do want to try the new oh my gosh, what is it called? If I can't figure it out, I'm just gonna have to pop it on the screen here. Like a baked apple croissant, yeah, something like that. But anyways, that's hopefully what I'm gonna be eating on this morning if they have any ready. Anyways, I'm gonna get ready to head up because, like I said, it is 6:38. I have to be at work within the next hour to get kids out of the car and then to get Cam back on back over here to the house to get on the bus. That's okay, take your time. Alright, so I'm here at Starbucks, but
Good morning, welcome to Starbucks. What can I get for you this morning?
Good morning. Can I get a grande pumpkin spice latte as well as the baked apple croissant?
You said apple croissant?
Please.
Okay.
And then a tall mocha cookie crumble. That is small.
Okay.
And then a chocolate croissant, and that'll be it.
You said chocolate croissant?
Yes, ma'am.
Alrighty, so I have a grande pumpkin spice latte, an apple croissant, a tall mocha cookie crumble frap, and a chocolate croissant.
Yes, ma'am. That'll be it.
Alrighty, that's $20.43. Go ahead and go around.
Thank you. Alright, so this will be my first time trying the baked apple croissant, as it is new for 2023. And then the pumpkin spice latte is now my favorite. Okay, so I had to pull over because my seats were messed with like yesterday. But anyways, I had to fix it. So I have my pumpkin spice latte. When you guys open it up, you'll see the color is like kind of like an orange tint. And then I have my apple croissant that's warmed up. So it's a baked apple croissant. It gets warmed up. It comes just like this. It is really cute. I don't know how they make these, but I'm gonna give it a shot. It's actually really sweet. Yeah, it's really sweet. I would try it again. Anyways, it's 7:05. I need to literally go down the hill, get it parked in the parking lot for work, and get ready for my day. I know it's hot. So yeah, look right there and you guys can tell the color of the pumpkin spice latte. It's actually, like I said, like an orange brownish tint. So yeah, this little croissant hopefully will hold me over until later when I'm able to eat my vegan chili. When I made my vegan chili yesterday, Charles was like, "Where's the meat?" Sir, when you do a vegan chili, you don't add any meat. But anyways, let me get to work, y'all. See you in a little bit. So on the inside of this croissant is actually some like baked apple stuff. So it's actually really good and sweet. So not only is it on the top, but it's on the middle as well. Okay, y'all, I definitely would give the baked apple croissant a 10 out of 10. It was actually really, really good. I've made it to work. It is now 7:15. So that's good. That way I'm here and can clock in and leave at 2:45. Matter of fact, 2:30, because I stayed late on Friday by 10 minutes. So that saves me some good grace too. I'm gonna go finish my pumpkin latte inside and get ready to come up front and get kids out of the car.
Supposed to, cause it keeps me on my toes. It kinda makes me want you more. I get a kick from going out when you don't want me to, knowing you're at home all mad. I know I shouldn't feel like that. I do it, you do it, we do it all the time. Pushing the buttons until we both lose our mind. Why can't we let ourselves play it safe just for a while?
Dinner, y'all.
But babe, it's not enough to survive.
Okay, y'all, so it has been a long day. It is now about 5:06. And so while my mom's in town, the kids already had McDonald's, so I basically would be fending for myself. So while she came over to, I don't know if you guys can see it, but she came over to Wood Grill, so might as well go ahead and get you to stop by Burger King. I really wanted Raising Cane's, but it is what it is. So let me show y'all what I did get. I am trying something new, but I also get the actual meal that I got. I get that on the normal, so. Okay, y'all, so I went through drive-thru and I end up getting the classic Burger King wrap, which just has the lettuce, tomato, and like a chicken tender or whatever. And I'm gonna figure out what type of sauce it has on the inside. I also got the original chicken sandwich meal. I like to add tomato and cheese because it already comes with mayonnaise and lettuce, right? So why not add that tomato and cheese? I didn't add bacon this time. And then I switched out the onion rings. I switched out the fries for onion rings and got a medium Coke. And as you guys can tell, just for one person to eat was $15.07. why they always give you zesty sauce when you order onion rings, but that's just not something I like. It honestly does not taste all the best. So I like to get barbecue sauce to go with my onion rings. So I have my onion rings, my classic chicken wrap, and then I have my original chicken sandwich. I'm gonna go ahead and try the classic wrap. I'm gonna try the classic wrap. I'm gonna open it up just to show you guys, see what's on the inside of it. So, like I said before, mint. It looks like mayonnaise. I have no idea what it is. I hope I like it. Lettuce, tomato, and that's honestly it. Ain't that crazy? Let's see what it's like. Okay. It tastes like a ranch sauce on the inside, but it's really good. Got my mouth all dirty. But anyway, I'm gonna eat on this and my onion rings while I wait on her to come out.
Stay up